Good morning and welcome. It's Dilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, hopefully coming to you with a flip cup pour. I'm only going to put 3 flip cups onto this particular piece, and it's ocean inspired colours that I have left over, so I'm going to go with it. Yeah, just fancied doing a flip cup, so here we go. This one is called Paper Bark. I know that those of you that ask me the colours, I usually do tell you the colours along the way, so just keep a note of them, I guess, if you want to copy the same colours. This one is Cool Blue. The birds are going nuts out there and they sound like they are rosellas and things, the coloured birds, just going off their nut. This one's just a little bit of metallic copper that I have left over. So I'm just going to use this, scrape the last bits out. Hopefully it will give a really nice effect on the canvas. Of course, flip pours, are easy if you're just beginning to, to get nice effects that give you a lot of confidence, because if they turn out really nicely. I will add some white to each of those cups. And I'll go to the turquoise. This is turquoise beach, so they're all, I'll put a good dab of that in. They're all kind of beachy inspired colours. That's the last of that one up. That's my puppies going nuts because they can hear my voice. Little puppy nuts, little puppy nuts. So this is, it's called Blazing Cloud. It's kind of a dirty orange, so I kind of guess that that'll be my theme in there, going with the beachy theme of sort of a sand look. And this one is just the turquoise. Might actually put some more white in between those. Go back to the white. And then the turquoise. They're definitely beachy theme. None of these colours has any silicone in, so I am absolutely not worried if it doesn't produce any cells. But having said that, I can already see some cells forming in there. Might just add a little bit of black, which has got to be very careful because it can send it muddy, or it can, just make it all too dark to the effect that I actually wanted it. So I'll just finish off these colours with the last little bit of Cool Blue. Cool Blue. I don't think I've got much white left. That'll do. Then I'll go back to my Blazing Cloud. Last drip of that. So it's just your time to come out in the art room and have your therapy session. Very good therapy sessions in the art room. They can be very healing and take your mind off things that you might be worried about if you just are not doing anything, I guess. So just give it a go. That's it. Your art room, your rules, your way. We'll go back to this, it's called Paper Bark. Finish off with that one, I think. And I'm not sure if I put a good squeeze of my gold in on top of that, so it might make the whole lot shimmery. So this is just gold that I've already pre-mixed Just giving it a good squirt in there of gold. So it's metallic gold, so it'll give it a real nice shimmery effect. Righty, I think I've got, oh, that's it, I've used all of that. And that and that. It's all good. So I'm going to flip these cups. Haven't done, I probably would normally do 5 for this, but I want to have a bit of space in between for just my white. Or should I go go on the dark side and go the black navy? Maybe I will. Look at that already. It's got no silicone in, but it has got Australian Floetrol. So I might just do my edges so I don't have to tilt too far. This is just pre-made, poured up out of my global paints. And these puppies, as soon as they hear my voice, they think food, food, just much like my kids. So let's see. Oh, that looks lovely as it is. Let's see how we go. Oh, look at those colours. Look at the colours. Beautiful. That is definitely ocean inspired colours. Lovely, lovely. Let's put those aside to hopefully get a bit more runoff from them. Those two are nicer than that one, I believe. The gold has shown up in that. So let's just do the gentle, gentle tilt. Sometimes with a flip cup, I really do like to do the paints on the thicker side because they seem to hold the shape nicer if you do the paints thicker. So these paints I'd used for previous pour, so I was just using the same colours and not particularly, and they were thin compared what I would normally use for a flip cup. So the colours are beautiful, but I'm losing some of the nice cells in there. Just take it nice and easy, and with your tilt, it's part of the therapy session, I'll tell you, because it's just relax about it. Don't try and rush anything. Roll it over the edge so you get a nice edge on your canvas. Then if you roll your paint over the edge, you get the colour over the edge. Didn't really, let's move that back up here, keep some of that colour. It's definitely looking like sand flats and ocean inspired. So again, we'll just recenter and just tilt again, just nice and slow. Don't panic. Do not panic. Take it nice and easy. Easy does it. There you go. Wow, wow, wow. Recenter. That is quite glistening there because of the gold and the metallic in it, and the gold and the copper. You might think that that looks a bit harsh, but I've got a little thing that I'd like to try with that, and that is, if I can find my spatula. Where's my... I hate it that my husband or my son comes in and takes my tools out of here, and I cannot find my good spatula. But I'll probably have to eat my words. No, I can't find it, so there you go. It would definitely be them. Definitely. Rightio, I'm going to use this one. That is not good. Not happy, Jean. Just going to use in the black area, the black blue area, the back of the spatula with some of the white with Floetrol in the white. So it will give me some nice lacy frothy effects. Ooh. Yes, that has actually completely lifted up that black area, and I like it. Like I tell you all the time, it's not anybody else you have to worry about. It looks beautiful. I bring you down in a second. I'm just going to do a bit here. Just want to take the harshness off the black. Hey puppies, behave yourselves. Ooh. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So you can just have a play with that. I'm not gonna do any more of that throughout the rest of that. I just wanted to take the harshness off that, and let's just give it a hit with the heat wand. Selling a little bit. Okay, I'm going to bring you down and have a look at that. It is quite lovely. They always sell well in those nice ocean colours, especially because we live next to the, well, not far from the ocean, 20 minutes. Bring you down. Oh, there you go, those lovely, look at this that I've got. It looks like one of my balloon kisses, but I haven't even touched it. So that was just a natural bloom in there. But even look at the effect. It takes off the harshness, and then you've got that glistening turquoises in there. That's beautiful. That is really lovely, and especially just taking the harshness off that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Very nice effects. The colours are beautiful. I really love them. Not so happy about the cells popping up, which is weird because there's no silicone whatsoever. So there you go. So there's the whole effect. Okie doke, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed that and it gives you some food for thought. So until tomorrow, please come and join me tomorrow, and if you haven't already done, please subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. So yeah, press the subscribe button and the notification button. I will be here tomorrow with something different again, and hopefully give you more ideas. Bye for now.